Something wrong with that dude.
I think you almost feel a little safer in a Jeep than you do a damn Razor.
I like Razor better on this stuff.
You think so?
Yeah, because I can see all around me. The problem here is you can't see around you and you go off too far, you're fucked. Wherever there's two white lines, make sure you stay between them. They're to the left.
Huh?
Just a little bit. Keep your hood low, that's all I'm saying.
Yeah, stay low.
Okay.
Well, for now. That's fine. I think it's great.
He shipped them to
Second. He's in first. I just figured going down so steep, I just kind of wanted to let the gearing help me down. And it did a great job. Shocks are getting a workout today.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully I don't blow enough
Get there, you get their juice up.
He hauls ass, doesn't he? So he's not scared to give us some gas and get going, is he?
Who, Jim?
No, Grady.
No, he just staying right behind him.
What was that? What the hell? Somebody having a problem?
We just go right up and you guys are gonna wait on us. They're up there telling me there's 5 of us in our group. 6 actually.
Does it keep falling?
Yeah. You see how he's doing?
I mean, should I go on up with him or?
Yeah, just so you see how he's doing.
No, I know, but should I wait till he gets to the top?
No,
Just keep falling.
just keep falling.
You know, I don't want to be that guy that
Nope.
I don't like to get behind me. I
Give him
mean,
a
if
little
anything,
bit of
do Grady a
distance.
favor in case his shit starts rolling.
Yeah, we can all go together. Stay behind. See how he kind of went up and went to the left just a little bit.
You're getting off the line.
No, he's not.
Oh, well, the yellow line was over
No,
there.
he's fine.
I see the little
That's a
diamonds.
groove. Yeah, diamond you just strap.
Man, my steering wheel grip about tore up.
Yeah, you gripping it so hard. Nothing wrong with that. mean, you hug it, motherfucker.
Mm-hmm.
Hit him fucking. This one here,
Yeah.
make sure you keep it between those two lines, a line on each side. Don't straddle the line. Keep it between the lines. Just put that diamond in the center of your vehicle.
He's kind of off a little bit, isn't he?
No, he's just pulling it around.
I mean, isn't he supposed to be between?
He's bringing it around. See, he's right, but he's between them right now.
Between.
He's just making sure that his hood's level.
I don't know, because I'm looking at lines and they don't look like they're anywhere near it. Let's see, there's yellow here,
Yep,
yellow
stay
here.
between the two yellow lines.
That's what I'm doing.
No, you just stay right between the two yellow lines.
Mm-hmm.
You keep your hood level and start to go endo, give it
Yep.
gas.
See it.
Tell you, that extra 2 inches just doesn't even mind the fuck.
Doesn't bother me.
Why no, don't bother you?
Bothers you?
Well, no, I mean, I just remember the feeling.
Oh. So far.
But knowing that
Yeah.
it really isn't that big a deal.
Yeah.
I mean,
But you're so used to doing it without the.
yes, without
Then
I
you
can
went
feel-
to it and you're like, oh man.
Yes.
Me, I'm just like, I don't know any better.
Yeah, you don't know no better. It's the first time you've done it, Jeep. You know.
I hate this off camera. I think we'd survive that.
Oh no, we would.
Yeah.
The Jeep wouldn't be happy.
No, the Jeep isn't gonna survive.
Oh no, the Jeep would survive. It'd still run.
Oh yeah, it'd still run. You just ain't driving it home.
Look, I don't know, man. I drove some pretty shitty
Say,
stuff.
you could drive it home. You just might have to wear goggles, but you could drive it home. Duct tape on the cracks in the glass.
Mm-hmm.
Have a few little wind leaks in the top. Go.
No, I actually got insurance on this fucker, full coverage. I knew I was coming down. I'm like, I'm getting insurance.
Oh, did you?
Oh yeah.
I always keep full coverage on my Jeep for some reason. Never used it.
This looks kind of weird.
Yeah, that's when you gotta make a hard left turn, get that hood level. Just keep yours right where it is. Grady needs to back up.
Mm-hmm. He's got enough room. He's got his little camera there too. So I see. It looks like, I don't know if that's water there. Or, so I need to drop my left tire over here for that
Just follow
crevice.
Grady.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't have to go over and do what he did.
Yeah.
You know. This is where he might have to just juice it out a little bit.